Okay, folks, today's lesson is going to be, or today's activity is going to be a little bit different than before because you only have one activity to do, and that's this assignment that's labeled in our Google Classroom, the Natural Disasters Research Assignment. So this document outlines everything that you're going to do. You're going to work on this individually, and you're going to answer the question, are humans adequately prepared for a natural disaster? How does the natural disaster change the patterns of natural and human systems? How are you going to do this? You're going to pick one of these. It doesn't matter which one you pick. We're not going to try to find a balance in the class. If everyone does hurricanes, that's fine. Pick something that interests you. All right, so we've got earthquakes, tornadoes, floods, volcanoes, hurricanes, avalanche, or tsunami. That's what that word is there, tsunami. Sometimes people call that a tidal wave. What you're going to do is once you choose that, you're going to create for me a slideshow that is 11 slides in length. And what I've done here is I have got all the slides made out here. Okay, so each in the capitals, I've shown you what that slide was about. So the first one will be your title. You're going to show a photo of the impact of the disaster on natural systems and one photo showing the impact of humans. So if it's a hurricane, you might show some trees that are knocked over for a natural system and then buildings that are destroyed by a human system. And then a title, hurricanes. Okay, then second slide, the what slide. What is this natural disaster? Explain what it is. Then the where slide. Find a map of the world or a map of Canada or a map of North America and show where these disasters occur. All right. And then how or why. Explain how they occur or why they occur. And you're going to continue going through each one of these and answer them in each slide. Okay. So you might have to adjust your settings a little bit for your font to make sure it fits on one, because no matter what, you're only going to submit 11 slides. All right, when you've got that slide done, you've spell checked, you've got some good, see what I said down here, make sure to include visuals, pictures, graphs, maps, graphic organizers to explain your topic. And then down here, I've included in a reference or a rubric so you can see exactly what you can look for. So I've got your different criteria listed over here, and I've got your levels right through there. That's pretty basic, and you can look at that before you start if you want. But remember, we're always aiming to do our best, especially since for today, as this is a culminating activity for this unit for physical geography. You've got all day to do this, all right? And it should be doable. You should be able, assuming you're starting around 8:45 this morning, right after our class, you should have this done by 2:30 today, no problem. And I'll just go back over here to this slide here. Oops, sorry about that. Go back over here to Google Classroom, and it hasn't been posted yet, but it's going to be posted right here where you see 6 natural disasters research assignment. You can't see that because it's scheduled. That's why it's gray on my screen, but that's where it's going to be, and that's where you're going to submit the assignment. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Really looking forward to seeing the work that you do and to wrapping up all of our learning about physical geography. Okay.